Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make battery icon and others bigger on your phone. The first thing I want you to do is open up settings, scroll down and click on system. And first we need to turn on developer options, okay? So the way you do it depends on your phone. So in this one, you just click on my phone, okay? You'll see your device right here. Then you scroll down where it says your version info, click on that. And then you just click on the build number multiple times until you see you're already a developer. Then you go back all the way down, click on system. Depends on your phone where this will be located. You'll see developer options, click on it. And then I want you to scroll down until you see this option right here that basically says smallest width. So on my phone by default, it is 700 and actually 370. And all you need to do is just reduce the size. So let's make it, for example, 320. And you can see there at the top, the battery icons, all the other icons have increased in size, and you can adjust this as you please, okay? And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.